Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be doing the riding experience review of the NEXX X.R3R helmet. As I did promise you some time ago now. I've been on deployment, so I just got home a couple of days ago, so now I got the time for it. So yeah, if you've not watched my video where I go in details with the helmet and the specs, you can check it out right around here. But yeah, for this video it's gonna be the riding experience of the helmet. So let me hop on the bike and let's talk about it once I get on it.
Alright guys, we are on the road. Let's start off by talking about the weight of the helmet. I mean, it is a carbon helmet, and as you guys might know, it's a pretty soft and not soft but light material. So over time, when you ride long distance trips, I mean, you won't really notice that the helmet gets heavy on your head like other helmets does. So that's a pretty nice thing about it, especially when you go on long road trips or something like that. I'm going to Norway later this summer, so I'm really gonna appreciate the lightweight of the carbon helmet. That's a nice thing for me. Other than that, the pillows inside of the helmet are really comfortable in my opinion, like a lot better than the ones I had on my shark helmet. So yeah. Also, when choosing the size of the helmet, if you're on the in the middle of like between two sizes, I would recommend you going a size up, because if you wear a ski mask like I do under my helmet, that also takes a little bit of the size, not a lot, but I mean, like, you rather want to have more. I rather want to have more room than less room, like not too tight, because like during long road trips, I mean, that's just gonna be irritating. So I decided for my next helmet to be a size up rather than a size down like my old shark helmet was. So yeah, that's it feels really nice, really comfortable to wear. Yeah, and the ventilation, I mean, like, the controls, really easy to get to. I preset them like before my ride, so I don't have to fiddle with it. So yeah, I just opened them up when I started riding, because I mean, like, I like to get some air through the helmet and on my face, and it doesn't feel like it's blowing like full on in your head. It's really nice and smooth. So yeah, that's a nice thing too. The visor, easy to flip up and put down again. Yeah, what else to talk about? I mean, the wind noise, it's kind of, I mean, like, it's a little better than on my shark helmet, but I mean, it is like you would expect from any motorcycle helmet, I guess. You would expect a little wind noise, not a lot, but just a little. I mean, like, when I have my music on, I really don't notice it, and I can easily play my music full blown, like too loud. So I usually like turn a little bit down. So if you're wondering if the wind noise is gonna like just take over your music, that's not the case with this helmet. Like, it's really not. And if you place your microphone from your Cardo system like close to your mouth and put the sensitivity high, I mean, you're gonna have no problem talking with other people, no problems like that. So yeah, that's also like a really good thing about this helmet. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't really know what else to talk about regarding this helmet, because I went through a lot of this stuff on my spec video, but like, I mean, like, one more thing I could mention is the look through the visor. I mean, like, I got a clear view also to the sides, and also the tinted visor it's really not that bad. Like I expected it to be like a lot darker than it is than I have experienced. So yeah, that's a really positive thing. Like during sunsets, I could easily ride with the this tinted visor. Also when the sun gets a bit further down. So yeah, definitely not a problem. I think I'm gonna use a clear visor once once the weather gets a little bit more cloudy. So yeah. Okay, what else to talk about? I mean, like that's pretty much it. I mean, if I forgot to mention something about it or talk about something, I mean, I would love to reply to your comments down below, because I know it's been a long time since I promised to make this video, and the season is like a couple months in. So, but as I did say, I was on deployment, so I could not make any videos. So yeah, but better late than never, I guess. So if you guys have any comments or questions regarding this helmet and riding experience, please let me know down in the comment. I would love to reply to you guys. And yeah, I guess that's it for this video. And if you have any questions, again, just put them down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, remember to do so. I'm going to be posting a lot of cool videos from Norway. It's a pretty sick road trip we've been planning, me and 2 other guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and stay safe on the roads.